In the diagram below, AM is equal to MB, AN is equal to NC, and angle B is 51 degrees. Determine the size of angle M1. Let's start with the midpoint theorem. The question tells us that M is the midpoint of side AB. So we can see that AM will be equal to MB. This information has been given to us in the question, so we use given as our reason. We also know that AN is equal to NC, so we can make the statement that AN is equal to NC. Again, this information has been given to us. M is the midpoint of AB, and N is the midpoint of AC. So, according to the midpoint theorem, MN must be parallel to BC. So let's make the statement that MN is parallel to BC. And as our reason, we use midpoint theorem. To show this on our diagram, let's put an arrow on line MN and an arrow on line BC. Now we have two parallel lines, so we can find the unknown angle of M1. Let's make MN and BC blue. Angle M1 over here sits to the right of side AB. AB cuts both of our parallel lines. So let's make our transversal line green. Now we have an F shape, so we can consider angle relationships. M1 sits above the line MN to the right of the transversal line. The 51-degree angle at B over here sits above BC, also to the right of the transversal line. So these are corresponding angles, which we know are equal. So M1 must be 51 degrees. So now we can make the statement that angle M1 is equal to 51 degrees because corresponding angles are equal. And the reason why these are corresponding angles is because MN is parallel to BC. We've already used the midpoint theorem to prove that MN is parallel to BC, so we don't have to write this down again. And we have now completed this question.